Meaning of foliar.
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 Foliar. Foliar refers to a type of plant treatment that involves applying fertilizer or other chemicals directly onto the leaves of the plant. This method allows for more targeted and efficient delivery of nutrients or substances that can improve the health and growth of the plant. Foliar applications can result in increased plant growth, stronger roots, improved resistance to disease and pests, and enhanced crop yields. However, care must be taken to ensure that the chemicals used are safe and applied in appropriate quantities to avoid damaging the plant or the environment.